Welcome. We are back. This is episode 3 of 99,100,000 Reasons Why You Should Not Day Trade. And I am Shoes the Trader. And we are looking at the top 3 stocks for today. As you can see, NOK is leading the charge. AAL is second up to bat. And INTC is doing good. So let's take a look at how bad or how good you would have done today. So taking a look at that 5-minute, 5-day chart. If you had did your homework earlier today, you would have thought today would have been a good day because you would have done your support line right here. You would have done your resistance right here. And before the day opened up, you would have said, you know what, Mom? It's time for us to take those TVs off of layaway. I think NOK is going to break out because it's trending closer to the ceiling than to the floor. But then you would have been sadly disappointed as we zoom in and see that it was a downhill spiral from the get-go. As soon as the gates opened, the horses all fell to their demise. But you would have said, you know what, Shoes? Yeah, I lost money on this stock. You're right. But I have a backup. It's INTC, so you don't know everything you think you're talking about. And I would have said, okay, let's look at INTC. So INTC for the day, again, this is a 5-minute, 5-day chart. If we zoom in, oh, what do you know? It also fell down. As you can see, it is trending down since early this morning. Now, you're probably looking at the chart right now and saying, wait, Shoes, ha, the stock is going back up. So I will admit it's around 2 o'clock right now where I'm at. But I can tell you why the stock is going up. So all the other addicted day traders were trying so hard for this thing to start going up, and they failed all morning long up until 12:45ish. That's when all the moms of the day traders came down to the basements and said, look, you got to stop this day trading and get some lunch. You're starting to look like a flagpole. You're so skinny. And he said, okay, Mom. And they all went upstairs and ate. And now when they come back an hour later, they're going to be sadly disappointed to see that the stock slightly came back up. But guarantee the stock will go right back down if they continue to invest. Now let's look at our last stock before we end the video, AAL. And whoa, what do you know? AAL is the only stock that's not red. So maybe Shoes the Trader doesn't know what he's talking about. Let's zoom in and get a good look on why this stock is up. And I can already tell you right now why the stock is up. Why, Shoes the Trader? It's because no one is paying attention to AAL. There's no significant news. Even if you put a little bit of money, you're not shaking the market. Guarantee if you put a substantial amount of money, this stock will fall down. So don't believe the hype, folks. But this is Shoes the Trader. I'm trying to prevent people from losing their savings and losing their hard-earned money. If you can help me out, just give this video a thumbs up. That's all that's needed, and we can either A, save people, or B, get them to change the system to where it's more of a fair market and not rigged. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching 999,000 Reasons Why You Should Not Day Trade.